Hello everyone. In this video we have a nice exponential system of equation, and then we are going to solve this equation using two methods. We are going to use two different methods in solving this. So let's quickly see how we are going to solve this. Now the question says that 5 exponent x is equal to 7 exponent y being equal to 1225. So we can write the first one as 5 being equal to 1225, and then the second part 7 exponent y being equal to 1225 also. Now how do we solve this? Now we can solve this just by applying log to the base 5 on both sides. Now log to the base 5 here and also log to the base 7 here, because the basic the base here is 7 and then the base here is 5. That's the basic one. So we apply log 5s to the base of 5 being equal to the log of 1225 to the base of 5, and then also the log base 7y 7 exponent y, and then the log base of 7 1225 in here. Right, now how do we solve this? We can solve this by just bringing the s in front here, so it become s the log 5 base 5 being equal to the log 1225 here. Right, we also have y log 7 base 7 being equal to the log 1225 base 7 also here. Now from properties of log, if you have log a base a is equal to 1, if the number here is the same as what is here, then is equal to 1 in this case. So in this case we have all of this goes to 1, so we just have s being equal to the log 1225 base 5, and then we have y here being equal to the log 1225 base 7. Now what do we do next? Now if you look at the bases of both s and y, you realize that they all have different bases. So what we have to do is to now apply the change of base using the logarithm properties. Now from the property here says that if you have log base a and then you have b over here, now to change the base here you just have to do it this way. You have log b divided by log a here. So we are going to apply this to the x and y also. So applying this to both s and y, you realize that we have the s part of the first one, but then it's going to be in base 10, so 10 base in base 10, right? So therefore s here will be equal to, now applying this and that, it becomes log 1225 divided by log 5, and then y here becomes the log 1225 divided by log 7 in this case, right? So from here we have this. Now this is what we have so far. Right, now remember the question says that what is sy divided by s plus y, right? So we are going to just substitute that into it and then solve from here. So in the first part we have log 1225 divided by log 5 here multiplied by the log 1225 divided by log 7 here being divided by you having log 1225 over log 5 here plus log 1225 divided by log 7 in this case, right? So this is what we are going to have. Now we can further simplify that. How do we simplify this? So we can simplify this just by cancelling out some few ones here. So you realize that still simplify that. Now the first part it multiplies, so we can have log 1225 squared, right, divided by log 5 here multiplied by 7, since they have the same base. Now down here we have the square root, the LCM to be log 5 multiplied by log 7. Now this goes into that, we have log 7 multiplied by log 1225, and then also plus log 5 multiplied by log 1225, right? So this is what we have. and then with that we can then go ahead and then multiply through and then add through also. So with the one at the top, we can have log 1225 all squared, right, divided by log 5 multiplied by log 7, right. Now it's dividing, so we can multiply this part, and then we can have log 5 times log 7 here. So we are just reciprocating this part being divided by the whole of that log 7 multiplied by log 1225 multiplied by plus log 5 here multiplied by log 1225. So all of this goes away, right? And then you realize that we have log 1225 on both sides, so we can just factorize that one out, right? So let's do that. So when factorize that one out, what is left is we have log 1225 all squared divided by, we have just log 5 log 1225 outside, then we can have log 7 multiplied by log 5 in this case, right? So you realize that this cancels one of that, so this goes away, we have this going away, and then it cancels one of that. So what is left here is log 1225 here being divided by log 7 multiplied by log, plus log 5. Remember, it is plus, so when you factorize that out, it becomes plus rather. So this is just log 1225, right, divided by log 7 multiplied by 5, which is just log 1225 divided by log 35 in this case. So you realize that we just have this, we have 1225, which can be written in terms of 35. So 1225 is just 35 to the power 2 divided by the log 35, and here we just drop the 2 in front of the log, and we have 35 being divided by 35. So this gets rid of this, and then we have this to be equal to 2 in this case. So this is basically the first method. So what we have to do is to divide both side by x and y, right? So both exponents. Now remember, the question says what is sy over s plus y in this case, right? So what I'm going to do is to multiply, this is another method. I can multiply both exponents here by 1 over x in order to get rid of the x here. So we have x here being multiplied by 1 over x being equal to 1225 being multiplied by 1 over s. I'm going to apply same here, 1 over y being equal to 1225 1 over y. So you realize that we just have 5 here being equal to 1225 1 over x here, and then over here I'm just going to have this to be 7 being equal to 1225 exponent 1 over y in this case. Now when I put both of them together, right, putting them together, that is putting this equal to that, so I'm going to have this multiplied by 7 on the right hand side, and on the left hand side I'm just going to have 1225 1 over x multiplied by 1225 1 over y. Now why am I doing this? You realize that at the end of it all, we are just going to get something which is actually similar to what we are looking for, right? Now we have this to be the common base 1225. So since they are multiplying, we add the exponents. So when we add the exponents in this case, right, so from here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to raise the power of both sides by, in order for us to get this x y over s plus y, what I have to do is to raise the power of both sides by let's further simplify this before we can see that. Now when we simplify this, we are going to get s y here and then s plus y. You can see that we've gotten our s over y, sy over s plus y, but then it is in a reciprocal form. So what do? I multiply both exponents by xy over s plus y. So I have 35 here, right, to the power xy over s plus y, and I'll do same here. So when I do same here, sy multiplied by So this multiply sy over s plus y. This gets rid of that, right? This also gets rid of that. So what I'm left with is just 35 sy over s plus y being equal to, now remember 1225 can also be written as 35 to the power 2, and then we have so everything is gone, we have just 1, and therefore since the bases are the same in this case, what I can do is that I have to equate the exponents, right? So since the bases are the same, I just go ahead and then equate the exponent. Sy over s plus y is basically equal to 2 in this case, and that is what we have for, just like the first one we had. So whatever approach you use, you should get the same answer. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.